Samsung Galaxy M32 Prime Edition. Segment Best 16.21 cm, 6.4-inch, Super AMOLED Infinity UCUT display, FHD Plus resolution with 90Hz refresh rate, 800 nits high brightness mode, protected by Gorilla Glass 5. Versatile 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel quad camera setup, 64 megapixel, f1.8, main camera plus 8 megapixel, f2.2, ultra wide camera plus 2 megapixel, f2.4, depth camera plus 2 megapixel, 2.4, macro camera 20 megapixel, f2.2, front camera. Monster 6000 mAh battery memory, storage and SIM, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB internal memory, expandable up to 1 TB, SIM 1 plus SIM 2 plus microSD. Android version 12.0, One UI 4.1 operating system with MediaTek Helio G80 octa-core processor, 2 GHz, 1.8 GHz, 6000 mAh lithium-ion battery, 1 year manufacturer warranty for device and 6 months manufacturer warranty for in-box accessories including batteries from the date of purchase. For more information, description link. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe.